So, Jasmeet sir, after giving you some softwares which can record your website, what the person is doing on your website, how it does help you, uh, like in your website especially.
Uh, so after your suggestion on some of the tools, we were able to optimize our website according to our user perspective. Uh, we analyze what were our users doing on our websites, and we optimize our website according to that. So yeah, it was really helpful and nice working with you
Yeah,
guys.
and is a part of it. I want to ask what actual changes you felt when you can see in your recordings that what the person is doing on your website, what activities he is doing, what actual changes you have done after that.
We analyze some part of or some sections in our website
Mm-hmm.
that were uh, uh, you can say it was not relatable or not understandable by the users,
Mm-hmm.
but after seeing their recordings
Mm-hmm.
we were able to understand what the users are failing to understand.
Mm-hmm.
Then we analyze the whole data and
Mm-hmm.
made changes on our website.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, the traffic was also increased.
Mm-hmm.
And as per recordings,
Mm-hmm.
people were able to understand
Mm-hmm.
our products, especially in e-commerce websites.
Mm-hmm. So, in overall perspective, we see if you want to give my suggestions upon websites on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you would like to give me?
It was very helpful to us, so I would rate it 8.5 or a 9.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Jasmeet sir, for your kind feedback, and I'm really grateful for it. And thank you so much.